What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know it's a vibe, y'all know what it is, man. Stop this video right now, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all know what the deal is, man. Just another day, another video, man. As y'all can see, we in the car, in the cruise that is. In this car for, let me see, around 1,500 miles, man. I put around 1,500 miles on this car already. I said, y'all probably wondering how you put 1,500 miles on this car already. It's because I've been driving it between clips and videos, you know, so I've been putting miles on the sucker, and for a good reason. I got to make sure this is a good car going forward for the future purchaser, or for whatever needs that I am gonna need this car for. I gotta make sure I got a good car. So everything's going good. So I already showed y'all the front and everything, but this video right here is sponsored by Coverado. They make some great seat covers, man. They make universal covers. They also make some that are made to fit certain makes and models. So y'all, please, I'm gonna drop the information down in the description below. Y'all use my promo code Coverado for a little bit of a, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of a discount at the checkout. You know, something like, 10 to 15%. Just a little mild. But nah, this video is sponsored by Coverado, man. Y'all make sure y'all go over there, y'all check them out, and see what kind of seat covers they got. Like I said, that's what the video is gonna be about today. They done sent your boy some seat covers to install and review for the cruise. So I'm gonna get them unboxed and let y'all know what it look like. Showing y'all what the seats look like on the before. Protecting some good seats already. All right, YouTube, just pulling this out the box, and I had to stop right here, man. I think I seen in the comments I think I was just scrolling through looking at some seat covers one day, but I think this is really cool how they sent this in like a little suitcase looking thing. It's really multi-purpose. You could use this for something else if you really wanted to, but that's how it comes in the packaging and stuff. So get this all took out of the packaging. Y'all can see how everything look. Ooh, he's got a real good premium feel to him. Like this. Back y'all up a little bit. It feel real good. Feel real good. Alright, so we're just taking this out. As y'all can see, we got all of our premium mats here. These are really good quality, y'all. I like the padding on them. Look like they're gonna be a lot more comfortable than the factory seats. And the way that these look really good. Look real premium. The way this piping looks, it's like high quality, man. Let y'all see that a little bit closer. Perforated. So yeah, let's get these through in. Show y'all which ones go where. Cruise people, just got these mocked up, and y'all can kind of see how they gonna look. Big difference, but something to pay attention to right here. These are made for airbags, SRS airbags. So pay attention. These are going to be on the facing towards the window. So this one's gonna have to be switched with this side. So that's just something to be on the lookout for. Back in real quick. These instructions look like they're gonna be pretty good. It comes with these hooks and clips and all that stuff, and I'm gonna get these all put how they supposed to be, and I'm gonna let y'all know what it look like once they on. Let me see, I got a couple of these put on already, but just go in. Oh, I put it on the wrong one, but just go in like this, slide in first in through here. See if I can do it one hand, turn it around, and then put it through that end like that. So it looks like that. Okay, so you're gonna do it on these three. right here on the one that got 3, which is at the very front of the seat. If you got it up, it's at the front of the seat. So put those 3 right there. Right, got a little bit further. I ended up putting the headrest on and slid the seat on. So these right here, you're gonna slip these straight through the seat. Come out the back end. Just push them through. Push them through. This headrest, this is how I did it. I'm not sure if this is how you're supposed to do it, but I kind of want it tight. You know, I don't want it to be able to move. So I push this up. So it's gonna have a little gap in the back right here, but that's fine with me. It really is. I'm not really tripping too much. But that's how I did it. So, but now you can see down here, I got my little things coming out. So I'm gonna pull them through. Make sure all of them pull through, and then I'll let y'all know what we do from here. I'm kind of skipping around, but to do these, you're gonna kind of separate these 2 ends by bending them like that. You bend them like that, so that way you can slide this in here like that. You're gonna wanna pull that and connect it to one of those bars down there. You connect it to the one as far as possible. All right, YouTube. In with the first driver's side. I'm really liking it. My first time sitting down. Oh my Lord. Oh yeah. What? This thing got a dang. Yo, this mug feel way better, bro. What? I knew it was gonna feel better, but I didn't think it was gonna feel that much better. All right, well, these are my initial impressions, and right here, y'all can see this right here. The fact that now they're bolstered, but they got a bolster on a bolster. Like, man, this feel good. Y'all feel good and look good. Y'all, it look like I'm mad that they feel so good, man. But you know, since these are universal, I'm gonna give y'all the pros and the cons. You know, but here, my only con is, you know, that they're universal covers. That's the only thing about it. The universal covers, and they. What up with it, y'all?
Yesterday was a birthday.
But yeah, the cons on these, obviously, since they're universal, they're not made to be specific to this vehicle. So they're not, you know, just exact fit to the seats. So they're, you know, they got a little air pockets or whatever you want to call them in them, you know, some dull spots, but it's more covered than not. So that's what I do like about it. And they got cubby holes back here that the seats did not have from the factory, so that's a plus. Yeah, man, I'm liking these. Shoot, it's probably the best set I've seen for a cruise thus far. If I didn't get to explain it too good, it's because I was doing more trying to learn than anything, because I've never put on seat covers. But this is where I got these 2 straps hooked onto, right to this little bar right here. I'm not sure if it's gonna be as accessible if y'all have power to y'all seats, but there's plenty of other spots so y'all can hook these too. But this is the best place I could find, and it was a stretch, literally, to get them like that. And then I tucked this behind here, which I might end up moving, because I'm pretty sure that's gonna probably rub. But I wanted it behind there because it wasn't gonna look right, or it wasn't gonna act right if it was on the other side of this. So I'm gonna try not to adjust the seat too much, but if I do, I'll try to pull out a little bit on it. But that's how I did that. Tuck that over there. this went under and connected this right here, this clip, all the way to the bottom seat. Those two clip together on that side, and then the ones on this side clip together. Y'all can see. So as long as y'all follow the instructions, I know that y'all can do it too, because I'm almost 100% sure that I didn't do it exactly how they were saying to do it on here, but I know that it's secure, and I know that it's gonna fit and stay. It's not gonna move, you know. So we're good. YouTube got the front two in, and man, they looking good, and it's feeling even better. Y'all need to check these folks out. Coverado. It's like Cover Auto, but it's Coverado, like a Silverado, but Coverado. So yeah, man, finna get ready to put these back ones in, show y'all the process on what it takes to get that done. I hope y'all following along. I hope it's informative enough where it's gonna help y'all. But this is just like a training wheel video just to get y'all going, because I know for a fact that y'all gonna be able to do this. I know women that know how to do this, so y'all just stay tuned. Real quick, you're gonna have to take off these back headrests to get this on, so that way you can slide the two things out between these two zippers, zip them up. But you're gonna need to open up the back seat, pull it up, then you're gonna have to pull this side up to get it all the way up, and then to fully release it, you're gonna have to push this one in, and then that'll let you go ahead and pop that out. So just something to think about. Alright, YouTube, I am all done, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the little walk around. Well, I can't even say walk around, but you know, the little B-roll or whatever with the finished seats installed or whatever. But man, they look good, man. They look good, and I tell you what, they feel even better, even more so than the looks. I like the way they feel. Like, this is a whole lot more comfortable ride than it already was. So I highly advise these seat covers for all the cruise owners out there, second gen and first gen, since these are universal. So yeah, man, y'all go over to Coverado and make sure y'all use my my link and the promo code for a discount at the checkout. So man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too long. Hopefully it was informative enough for y'all. But without further ado, y'all have a good one. See y'all on the next one. Peace.